How AI enters the physical world. 1 billion simulated miles. Every accident, every edge case. Trained, tested, survived, then it drove. It left the road. It entered the field. Same intelligence, wider world. No driver goes there. It goes. It was trained for this exact place. It comes back. 1,000 trucks, 0 collisions. Trained in a simulation of this port before this port was built. It learned to exist alongside us. We didn't notice it learning. Now, it works alongside us. We barely notice it working. Humans stop here. It doesn't. In simulation, it had already come back from there 100 times. Every night, same path, doesn't get tired, doesn't forget, knows this place better than anyone. No roads, 3 dimensions. It trained in a digital world before entering the physical one. Data, collected in orbit, processed, in orbit. Result, returned as light. It worked here for 10,000 hours before it arrived. Now, it's here. It already knows the way.